Do you want to know how many people are earning Christmas money online in under an hour a day? Now, if you've been stressing about holiday costs or feeling lost about where to start, I totally get it. I'm breaking down some simple, fast online tasks that actually pay and don't require any complicated tech skills. Watch this until the end because you'll walk away with a step-by-step plan that you can use today to generate an online income for Christmas. Now, before we dive in, I've got some free guides to help you start your online business and create new income streams. You can get instant access to them through the link in the description below. Now, before we get started, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Okay, let's begin with number one, which is to offer simple online services even if you're not a techie. Now, if you're feeling a bit stuck and unsure where to begin and the fact that Christmas is not far away is stressing you out, let's make this simple. Let me give you some useful advice. You want to start with small, simple services that take away all the pressure of knowing some tech. So think proofreading, typing or fixing documents for people and business owners. Now there are platforms like Fiverr.com and Upwork which have constant demand for this. So you want to start with microservices that you can finish in under an hour. Okay, now here are some simple online services that you can offer for some extra Christmas money. You can make quick edits in Google Documents to fix spelling, tidy sentences or clean up messy notes for people who don't have the time. You can rewrite product descriptions or short bios to help small business owners sound more clear and much more professional. You can clean up the formatting in documents or resumes so everything looks neat, polished and easy to read. You can proofread short emails or letters for people who want their messages to sound more confident or more friendly. You can create simple Canva graphics like gift tags, holiday posts or party invites using Canva templates. That makes everything look really good and professional. You can make holiday social media captions for small businesses who want festive content but don't know what to write. You can organize someone's Google Drive or their Dropbox by sorting their files, renaming documents and creating clean folders. You can also type handwritten notes or turn them into digital documents for people who prefer things neat and typed. You can edit or polish Christmas letters for families so their holiday messages feel warm, clear and well written. You can create Pinterest pins in Canva using simple templates that make each pin look professional and more eye-catching. You can draft quick customer replies or message templates for small shops who get really busy during the holidays. You can create digital holiday gift guides in Canva to help people pick presents fast without the stress. You can make simple PDF planners like gift lists, budgets or meal plans that help people stay organised during December. And you can run quick keyword checks with tools like Answer the Public and Uber Suggest to help small businesses find better words for their social media posts or their product listings to sell over Christmas. Now you'll be surprised how many people will happily pay for skills that you already have. Now another option is Canva based services, so holiday graphics, gift tags, simple business designs. These are all very easy to create and Canva templates are super simple to edit, which keeps things from feeling overwhelming. And here's why quick turnaround tasks are perfect for December. People want holiday letters, they want gift messages, they want holiday captions and small edits very quickly. So you get simple work, they get holiday help, everyone wins. You can also offer short-term virtual assistant help just for the seasonal things like organising calendars, cleaning up inboxes or even just sending simple reminders. Now there are tools like Notion, Trello or ClickUp help you stay organised without much effort. If writing feels natural for you, try offering caption writing for the festive posts. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm so you're never starting from scratch. Now a great way to package everything is through small holiday bundles or festive bundles. So as an example, you could edit a holiday note and format a document and create a simple graphic. Bundles give clients clarity and make you look much more professional. And honestly, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, just pick one service to start with. When your focus is more narrow, your confidence grows quickly. Let's now move on to number 2, which is to sell digital products that people want for Christmas. Now, if you want to earn online without jumping into anything complicated, digital Christmas products are a great option. And the best part is they can bring quick results. Digital products are especially popular this time of the year. People love instant downloads and they love party planners and gift lists. Templates, anything digital, anything that makes December much easier for them. Now there are platforms like Etsy, Gumroad.com and PayHip, which makes selling digital products more simple. Now I recommend to start with just one or two small Christmas products. Here are some easy ideas for you. You can create printable gift tags that people can download and print for their presents. You can make holiday budget sheets to help families plan their Christmas spending. You can design party planners with checklists, menus and timelines for December events. You can put together children's activity pages like colouring sheets, word searches and fun puzzles which are festive related. You can build Christmas coupon books that kids can give as a sweet, low-cost gift to someone else. You can design meal planning templates for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day dinners. You can even offer editable holiday cards that people can customise with photos or personal messages. You can create digital stocking stuffer lists to help parents stay organised while they shop. You can make holiday chore charts that help families keep things calm and tidy in December. You can create printable advent calendar activities that families can use each day. You can design simple Christmas bingo or trivia games for parties, classrooms or family nights. You can build gift lists, organisers, so shoppers can track who they're buying for. You can put together holiday gratitude journals for anyone who wants a calmer, more mindful Christmas. Now Canva, which you can use on the free version, so Canva is a really good tool, can give you a head start with all of these templates, so you're never starting from a blank page. A holiday planner is always a great seller. Include gift lists, meal plans, budgets and even notes. People buy planners because they want less chaos. Kids activity sheets also do incredibly well. Things like colouring pages, word searches, matching games, all festive related. These are fun to make and quick to do. Another idea is digital coupon books for kids. Movie night, 1 hour of help, pick the dinner. These are thoughtful, inexpensive and very popular at Christmas. Now, if you would rather serve some small businesses, try making social media templates for holiday posts. So you can just use Canva and use their Christmas templates and just edit them as you wish. Companies love ready-made graphics during busy seasons. You can also create printable party games like Christmas bingo, trivia and charades. Families instantly understand the value, and Canva's layouts make this very easy. And if you want your products to stand out, just offer editable versions using Canva, using their templates so customers can personalise the names or the messages for themselves. Now, I've got some free guides to help you start your online business and create new income streams online. You can get instant access to them through the link in the description below. Let's now move on to number 3, which is to use affiliate marketing for holiday products. Now, if you don't have your own products and you're not sure where to start, affiliate marketing is an easy holiday win. By the end of this, you'll know how to recommend items people are already shopping for. So let me give you some useful advice, because affiliate marketing works especially well during the Christmas period. People are buying anyway, so you're just simply helping them choose. Now, good beginner platforms are Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Digistore24 and Impact. Now, you want to focus on recommending things that you would actually use or genuinely like. It feels more natural and people will trust you more when your suggestions are more honest. Now, some of the best holiday sellers are simple stocking stuffers, under $30 journals and socks, mini skincare sets and even small gadgets. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make Christmas money because you're not creating products, you're simply recommending things people are already buying like crazy in December. So during the holidays, the best selling items tend to be stocking stuffers under $25, cozy home items, kids toys, self-care gifts, kitchen gadgets and even small electronics like phone accessories or mini speakers. So you can just join beginner-friendly affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale or Impact. And once you're approved, you will get your special links to share. And you can talk about your favourite gift ideas on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook groups and YouTube. and even Pinterest, or even inside simple gift guides that you make in Canva. So you want to be making some content for your social media. Now when someone clicks your link and buys something, you will earn a small commission at no extra cost to them. Now it works well at Christmas because people are already searching for quick gift ideas, budget gifts, and just last minute presents. So your suggestions feel very helpful instead of salesy. Now you can create small lists like the top 5 gifts for teens, or something like best cozy gifts under $20, or holiday toys my kids actually loved. And these roundups convert really well. Now the goal isn't to be pushy, it's to just help people choose faster during a stressful season. That's what makes affiliate marketing such a realistic and simple way to earn around Christmas. Now you can also create themed gift lists like the top 5 gifts for busy mums, the best gifts under $20, and even relaxing gifts for teachers. And you can just share them on TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube and in Facebook groups as well. So you want to share them on all your social media. Now a fast method is using AI to help you write the descriptions, the captions, or even comparisons. This saves a lot of time and keeps your content very clear. Now comparison posts also work really well. People love this versus that when deciding between planners, candles, or kitchen tools. So creating gift guide graphics in Canva helps your recommendations stand out and look clean. And don't forget digital gifts, subscriptions, apps, and memberships as well. They make perfect last minute presents because there's no shipping stress. Let's now move on to number 4, which is to take advantage of seasonal micro gigs. Now, if you want quick, easy ways to create some additional income online for Christmas without a long learning curve, seasonal micro gigs are ideal. These give you fast wins without the big commitments. So let me give you some useful advice because micro gigs take the pressure off. There are websites like usertesting.com, clickworker.com and inboxdollars.com, which will give you small tasks that you can do anytime you want to create some additional income for the festive period. Now you can also offer local holiday services like gift wrapping as well. So families get very overwhelmed and they actually really like having someone around to help out with this. Now Facebook Marketplace and local groups work great for promoting this kind of service. Now, if you prefer staying online, then you can try transcription work with websites like Rev or Transcribe Me. So these are good options for beginners. Now, another simple option is writing or addressing Christmas cards. So people want beautiful handwriting but often don't have the time to do it themselves. You can also offer deal finding help. Parents love it when someone helps them spot discounts on things like toys or gadgets, so they can save some money over Christmas. Now a simple shared Google document works perfectly for this. A quick digital gig is organising files, sorting photos, renaming files and even cleaning up folders. Tools like Google Drive and Dropbox make this very easy. App-based micro gigs are another option, so Field Agents, Premise and TEMU tasks pay for quick jobs that you can do while running errands. And if you want something a bit more creative, you can help small businesses schedule their holiday content for them as well. So there are tools like Buffer and Later.com, which makes social media scheduling very simple. So this makes the process very simple and businesses really appreciate the extra support during the busy festive season. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're ready to build your online business and create new income streams online, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the comments where you can find some free training resources to help you get started right away. These free step-by-step resources are designed to guide you through launching a successful online business and generating online income streams. So don't wait, take action today. Click the link below and start your journey right now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect with me on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have a wonderful day.